Hello, grade 4, welcome to another Read Aloud. And today you are going to listen The Diary of a Worm. Similarly, written by Doreen Cronin and pictures by Harry Bliss. Let's see what a worm is writing in his diary. March 20. Mom says there are three things I should always remember. 1. The earth gives us everything we need. Here you can see me. Second, when we dig tunnels, we help take care of the earth. Must make tunnel, help earth breathe. Never bother daddy when he is reading the newspaper. Charm. March 29. Today I tried to teach spider how to dig. Look at the spider. He is watching the worm. First of all, of his legs got stuck. I think I have twisted one of my ankles. Oh. Then he swallowed a bunch of dirt. I give up. Tomorrow he's going to teach me how to walk upside down. March 30. Worms cannot walk upside and down. April 4. Fishing season started today. We all dug deeper. Did you guys hear something? April 10. It rained all night and the ground was soaked. We spent the entire day on the sidewalk. Hopscotch is a very dangerous game. Hopscotch, that means he's coming under the feet of someone. April 15. I forgot my lunch today. I got so hungry that I ate my homework. He's eating the homework. My teacher made me write, I will not eat my homework 10 times. He's writing for 10 times, I will not eat my homework. When I finished, I ate that too. So, after finishing the work, he ate that paper also. April 20, I snuck up on some kids in the park today. They didn't hear me coming. I wiggled up right between them and they scared me. They also screamed. I love when they do that. May 1. Grandpa taught us that good manners are very important. So today I said good morning to the first ant I saw. Good morning. There were 600 more of them in a line. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. Nice to see you. Howdy, good morning. I stood there all day. May 8 had the worst nightmare last night. Giant birds playing hopscotch. He's trying to catch the worm. Mom says I have to stop eating so much garbage right before I go to bed. May 15, I got into a fight with Spider today. He told me you need legs to be cool. Then he ran. I couldn't keep up. Maybe he's right. May 16, I made Spider laugh so hard he fell out of his tree. Who needs legs? May 28, last night I went to the school dance. You put your head in, you put your head out. They are dancing. You do the hockey pocky and you turn yourself about. That's all we could do. June 5. Today we made macaroni necklaces in art classes. Look at the macaroni necklaces they have made. I brought mine home and we ate it for dinner. So after making the necklace, They ate it. You are very talented. June 15. My older sister thinks she is so pretty. I told her that no matter how much time she spends looking in the mirror, her face will always look just like her rear end. Spider thought that was really funny. Mom did not. And mom don't like this. July 4. When I grow up, I want to be a secret service agent. Spider says I will have to be very careful because the president might step on me by mistake. It's a dangerous job, I told him, but someone's got to do it. July 28. Three things I don't like about being a worm. 1. I can't chewing gum. 2. I can't have a dog. Can we keep him, mom? All that. Last one, homework. I'm not able to do the homework. July 29. Three good things about being a worm. First one, I never have to go to the dentist. No cavities, no teeth either. Here is stop.